instead of just random letters put together.
Okay, all right, cool. Thank you, David, for that as well. So yeah, the print is there for us to show letters. Okay, all right, that is also a good one anyway. So okay, who else want to say something about that? David, do. Okay, charting.
Print is
Okay.
like print is like one way of saying like it's like an output in a way. Like for example, a printer, you'll tell the computer to print out something. So it's just something that you'll put in that it will like um shoot out kind of.
So yeah, thank you so much, Chatty. I like that particular word that you said now, output. Yeah, print is another form of output anyway. Yeah, okay, cool. Thank you. David, you do. David. Okay, all right, cool. So now to actually, yeah, put this together, okay. Input you use to get information or data from the person using your application, and output you use it to kind of get information to them, right? So for instance, you've actually asked them to enter their name, okay? You want to send them back to say, okay, this is your name, okay? This is what I get. You use the print to display that. You use this print to display to this on the screen. If you yeah, input and print are one way to that you use to communicate within the application, right? Input to get it, and then print to actually display it to the user to say, okay, yeah, I've got this, and this is what you are. So that is one way that you need to use the print and input, right? So you get information from your users or from people using your application using input, and then you display those information to them, right? And other information as well using the print statement. Okay. All right. Before we, okay, can I ask now how many people have been able to do this exercise? If you raise your hand up, if you have been able to do this, okay?
Okay, 4.
Yes, the forward. Okay. Okay, so all right, okay. So I want you guys to kind of take some moment to explain, okay, what you've done. And it will be good if you also put some spice into what you've done. Do you get it now? So yeah, I will take some moment, okay, and you can do a demo, okay? So and I want you to explain the code as well, okay? So that we can understand what the code is doing, okay? So that's fine. You go to 2 minutes or 1 minute, okay? Let's start with Joshua.
Do I need to share my screen or not?
Yes, please.
Okay. So basically, this this is a survey asking you a bunch of questions, and it's creating a story as you as the star. So basically, what it means by, for example, name equals to input, what is your name, is basically asking the computer to say input your input this question, what is your name, into the interpret, and you'll do the same for the rest of your questions, and then at the end you won't need to add input because you already have a print statement right here.
All right, cool. Thank you, Joshua, for that. That is brilliant. Okay, let's move to Tireni. That's very well done. Well done, Joshua.
Okay.
Tireni,
Should I share my screen?
yes, please.
Okay. Wait 1 second. Can wait, it says my screen's loading 1 minute. Can you still Can you still not see my screen?
No, we can't see your screen.
Okay, so this is
It just says your name and started screen sharing.
I know you
there's-
told me.
there's my- Mr. Dave, should I stop? Or I think you can see my screen
You
now.
can see
Yeah.
that.
Okay. So what I did was I printed out this statement up to line 4 and it came up on here. So what I'm doing is like just it's like a survey, just giving asking someone some questions. So I said, what's his name? And then I said to Rennie. And then and then it said your enemy name. So here is equal to input and enemy name is equal to input and so on. What I did was I wrote the code as like so the enemy name is like a variable and then the variable is equal to input. So it says in there is what is your enemy's name. So if I answer the first question, what says name is equal to input, because I've already printed it out, and my variable is name, print out name is equal to input, it just prints out what is my name. And then I answer that. Then I did that. So and then at the start I printed this and then at the end it just said like bye. So that's what I did.
Okay, all right, that's brilliant. Okay, so can I ask one question? Okay, if you can explain to me line 7, what is he doing? Line 7.
Line 7. Oh, I think I might stop sharing because my laptop's
No, we can still see your screen anyway.
Okay. Okay. So what line 7 is basically it's saying name and the name is equal to input. So Tyranny is equal to input. That's what's happening in line 7.
Okay, all right. So if I may explain it, and well done, Tereni, anyway. So what line 7 is doing right now, you got a variable called name, right? And then you got an input, right? At that point, it's going to be expecting someone to put. So I think there's an echo coming. Okay, so it's going to expect, the user to type something, right? Then what the person type is going to be stored in a variable called name. Okay. So at that point,
Yeah.
he's going to wait, right? After he has said, what is your name? And he's going to wait for them to type something. And what they type, right, is going to be stored in a variable called name. Okay. Thank you so much, Tireni, for that. Okay. All right. Let's
Okay.
move to the next person.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't have my laptop's quite laggy.
Okay,
So
that's fine. Yeah. Taylor, please.
Okay.
So this is my simulator, and it's a library adventure. So when I press run, then it'll first ask me what my name is. My name is Tahira, and then for example I'll just put my sister's name, and then I could say my favorite library, and then it could be called reading, and then it asks me different questions, and then I can write a place where I live,
London, and then, for example, a restaurant, it could be Annie. And then it'll ask me different types of questions. And then when I finish answering all those questions, then it simulates what I've written here. When I write print hello name, your friend name has just solved a riddle. So instead of saying friend's name, it'll say hello Tahila, your friend Esther has just solved a riddle in reading corner. Zoe has helped her to solve it, and she is now eating pizza with Zoe. Now quick, Tahila, Esther's going to the library. Go and meet her to solve more mysteries. Yes, you've done it. Tahila, you've solved it all. The mysteries in reading corner. Now go and eat pizza with Esther and Pizza. Bye. So how this works is because I've written all of this print, and the reason why I wrote some print brackets so that it can show paragraphs in between. Thank you.
That is brilliant. Well done. Can you still share your screen, Taylor, please? Can you share your screen? Right. I just want to ask one question quickly, but that is brilliant. That's a good story as well. So well done. So can you explain to us line 22, what line 22 is doing? I know that's a difficult question anyway. So do you want to give that a go? Explain to us what line 22 does. And I like the way you put the print in the middle of them to put like a paragraph, which I think is also good as well. Well done. Yeah.
Okay. So line 22 is just introducing me to myself and saying what I'm doing. And then the reason why it has like lots of commas with food is because of how it has it at the top and all the questions I've answered. So that's how I could summarize line 22.
Okay. All right, cool. So, okay, before you leave there, okay, so can someone, okay, thank you so much to Taylor for that. So there's a particular word I'm looking for that we are doing in 22. I think we did that maybe last week or 2 weeks ago. Does anyone remember what's that word? It's a big word like that. Yeah.
Oh, I think I remember the word, but it started with C.
Thank you. Yes, I will see. And it's a big word. That's what we are trying to do there. Sorry? Someone mentioned. Thank you. This is concatenation. Thank you so much. Yeah. So that's a big word. So we are concatenating all the variables with the string together. So, and yeah, well, that's what we are trying to say. So first you say hello, and then you add your name to it so that it just looks as if hello, Taylor. And then you also kind of add your friend, then you put the name of the friend that you've entered. I solved a riddle in, yeah, and just then put the favorite library variables there, okay, and also the librarian, okay, and it said librarian has helped you to solve it, right, and it's now eating, then you put the name of the food, so with the favorite librarian. So well done, that is really, really good. Well done, Taylor, for that. Okay, cool.
Thank you.
Let's move on. Okay. And the next person is, okay, all right, let's go to, okay, Farida, please.
Okay.
We can't hear you again.
Oh,
I'll share my screen.
This is my email.
I kind of changed it.
Wait, you got the tools. So this is what I have for my email. I can 1226.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Holy. So if
Wait,
I
wait.
run it, it asks for your name, which is Farita, and then friend's name, and then it asks for your enemy name. I'm just gonna type someone, and then it asks for superpower, like you could do like strength or something like that. And then it asks which school do you go. I'm just gonna check. I don't know what happened. They worked before.
So, okay, let's look at that together. Let's see what the problem is. Okay.
Okay.
So who can look at this and tell us what the problem is with this code? Line 9. What's the problem? Okay.
Can I talk?
Yes, please go for it.
Okay, so you didn't do so you did you didn't do a opening. Wait. I think it thinks you've closed it after friend because you put a speech mark there on line 9. On the first line of line 9.
Okay, I think that is still fine. Yeah, that one is still fine. But there's something that is wrong in between on line 9. Yeah. Yeah.
Because there's several speech marks.
No, not that one. Okay. So there's something that should have a speech mark, right? Which we did not put actually. And the computer is looking at it.
Oh, we didn't put punctuation before the speech mark.
Oh, no. I know it's a bit difficult, this one, right? So yeah.
It's missing food.
Oh.
Is it because there's an exclamation mark and then there's a speech mark before it?
No, well done, guys. It's good. Yeah. Even it took me a while also to know what the problem is as well. So it might take a while. So I'll give you an hint. Okay. So look at the first line of line 9. That's where the problem is. The first line of line 9. Can you highlight that one for me, please? Highlight the first line of line 9. Okay.
Oh, name and friend.
Good. What is the problem with that?
Name and friend is a variable, not so you have to do name input is equal to this, and then friend input is equal to this.
Okay. You got the problem, but that won't solve it. Yeah. But well done.
Is
Yeah.
it because I put a space?
Oh no. And is and a variable?
No.
So and
It's
is
name.
and should be what?
And
In speech marks.
Exactly. And should be in speech mark. because they're string, right? So only variables, that you don't need to put a speech mark. Okay. Then when we do that, what do we need to do, right? There's something that's still missing, right? When we are doing concatenation of variable and string together, what do we need to do? After the name, before the and in speech mark, what do we need to do?
Comma.
Yeah, we need to put comma. So, and then, is that all?
No. I'm friend.
Yeah, before the friend also.
In front of it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And space. You can put space anyway. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's see. That is sorted. And there's still some errors, right? It's still shouting. Let's see. Okay.
Oh yeah, it works.
Okay, all right. So you see I have an error for that one. There's a bug in that. So who can locate what the problem is? This is another difficult one as well.
You have to define the variable food.
Sorry?
You have to define the variable food.
Thank you. Thank you. Who said that?
Josh.
Josh Agwood.
Gosh, well done. That is good. So you got food and you don't, there is no definition for that. There's no variable called food right at the top.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Okay. So if you want to do that, you need to have an input at the top and then assign food to it. Do you get?
Yeah. Food is equal to input.
Also, wait, uncle, also there's on power, you're meant to put superpower, not power, because the variable is superpower.
Okay, yeah, that's also is a good call as well. Yeah, that's the superpower, not No, not that one.
We should change the enemy into friend and it's still their enemy.
Okay, yeah, that friend, yeah, that should be friend, yeah.
No, that says super enemy. It's superpower.
Okay.
On the line below it, yeah, that one.
Yeah, Andrew said it's superpower.
Okay, so
And still change that one to friend. Oh wait, it's already there. My bad.
so the enemy, there's no variable called enemy, you got a friend. Yeah, you need to change that.
Yeah, you have to change it either one of them. Enemy.
So okay, all right.
Yeah.
So, okay, superpower at the top on line 2, yeah. Or no, on line 9, but number 2 line, yeah, superpower on the second line of line 2, or line 9 rather, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Superpower.
there you go. I think everything is sorted now. Yeah, well done, guys. That is good.
Yeah, you can just run it and double check it was. Yeah. Wait. Why is adventure still red? Mhm.
Okay, I think that's it. Well done. That is brilliant. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
No worries. Okay. So, okay, let's go to the next person. I think you might not have a breakout room if you're able to go through everyone. So that's fine. So, okay. Next person chatting. The last person I'm gonna yeah, ask to share the screen is Andrew. Okay.
I'm gonna share my screen.
Okay, yeah, go for it, chatting.
Can you see it?
It's coming up. Yes, we can see it now.
So what I put like the dream stories simulator because a lot of us like to dream a lot and hopefully it'll come true. And I put um your name, so my name is Charlton, then my dream enemy Putin, and then my dream superpower teleportation, and then my dream country to live in Dubai, and my dream food to eat forever jollof rice. So I just changed it up to dream for everything, basically. And it says, "Hello, Charlton. Your ability is teleportation. Will make uh will make sure you never have to look at Putin again. Go eat jollof rice as you walk down the streets of Dubai, and use teleportation for good and not evil."
All right, that is impressive. I love that. Yeah, it seems a lot of people like jollof rice. Jollof rice
Jollof.
is good. It's good. It's a great invention from Africa, right?
Very
So
great.
yeah, very yeah. So well, I love your story. Okay, so yeah, so well done for that. Yeah, so yeah, that is brilliant, and I can see lots of concatenation in that aspect as well. So yeah, well, that's good. Okay.
I forgot to
Uh,
add color, but I'll try and add
okay.
color.
All right, no problem. That's good. Yeah, I'm done.
Okay.
Okay, all right, brilliant. So let's go to Farida, please. Then after
Yeah, I'm
that,
coming.
okay.
So I made the ultimate story maker. So if I'm going to run this code and show you how it works. So it's going to ask you what's your name. So I'm going to put Farida. I'm just going to put Fari actually. What's your worst enemy's name? Fried rice. I'm not really a fan of it. What's your superpower? Our story begins as our hero Fari approaches a forbidden castle. Suddenly a bolt of lightning strikes the ground at the feet of Fari. A final battle begins, shouts the evil fried rice, and clearly missing the fact that Fari has the power of telekinesis, which means she will win quite easily. Not
Well
really a
done.
fan of fried rice.
Well done. That's really, really interesting as well. So yeah, well done, Farida, for that. So that's good. I'm impressed. Yeah, so good. So okay, all right. So who else do we have left? So okay. Um, okay, chatting has gone. Okay, Miriam, please. Miriam.
Oh, okay.
Okay, all right. So if you cannot have Miriam, then I think we'll go for Andrew.
Okay, I'll share my screen. Can you see my screen?
Yes, we can see it.
Okay, so I click. So I click run. That shouldn't be happening. Mr. Deji,
Yes.
this shouldn't be happening.
I know why.
Okay, please. Why is that?
Because firstly, you've not put input. You've not put input
Yes.
Here.
after the equal mark.
Yeah.
So space, then put input, and then your brackets.
Space in.
Okay. All right, cool. Thank you.
Space.
Thank you for that. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so let's try again. Okay. It's still happening.
There's no capital letter at the end. At the start, sorry. And I think there's supposed to be a colon before the speech mark.
Yeah.
After name, there should be a colon.
Oh, okay.
The 2 dots.
Okay.
Okay. All right, guys.
No,
So
press the arrow, the key
There?
the key that has an arrow, then press
Like that.
yeah. Is it me or there's an extra speech mark?
You put a speech mark before the 2 dots.
I think there's more than one speech mark. I can't see. No, there isn't more than one. So then
I think you need to put a speech mark between name and the 2 dots.
yeah, but there already is one.
okay. Okay. There's still some issues with that. Okay. Who wants to give a try as well? Thank you so much for everyone that's been contributing. Okay. Who knows what the problem is? I know this is a bit technical anyway, because we've not actually discussed this, but you can get the information from the red arrow, okay? On the right, okay?
I
The
think
arrow message on the right, yeah. For those guys that, yeah, sorry, go ahead.
I was gonna. What is your name is a question, so they might need a question mark.
Okay, all right.
And then in front. I mean behind. After name. Yes. And then maybe put a space in between it. So it's not all clustered.
Okay, all right, cool. That is close. That is still not yet. Let's read the error on the right, the error message on the right, okay?
Okay.
So I know for those guys that have done the Python with us last year, should be able to know this. Okay, this is a bit difficult, challenging one. We know we've not actually got to this point, but I think you're having that issue. You need to solve it. Okay, can you read the error message?
Okay. File main.py line 5. Enemy equal input. What is your enemy's name?
Enemies S.
Enemy.
Okay. Yeah, that's still fine. And next line, read next line for me.
In the indentation error,
Okay.
unexpected indent.
Okay.
It needs to indent. So
In
there's the space, but like click
the
on
space
click-
in the
Oh,
beginning.
I think we're done. I think you can order.
click on space. Like so, you know, click on in front of enemy.
Get to the basket.
Enemy.
No, like enemy equal the white one.
There. Here.
In behind it, but next to E. Yeah, there.
There.
No. Next. Yeah, there. Not there.
There.
Behind the E. Behind the E.
Here.
Yes, there. And then click on delete.
Delete.
What do you mean separate?
Try it now. Maybe because it's indented. I'm not sure, but
Yeah, I think that is it. That is it anyway. So yeah.
line 10.
Okay, now we've solved line 5 because yeah, there's noise coming from someone.
I think that's not me because I'm in.
Four chicken nuggets, fish
Oh,
fingers.
Farida, can you be muted? Thank you. Farida Sulaiman. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So as you can see here, so in Python, you need to watch it actually. You don't need to indent, even if you put one space, it's yeah. We're going to talk about that later because spacing in Python actually mean different thing actually. So when you are writing, you shouldn't be putting space at the beginning. Okay, it's very, very important. No indent at all. Okay, indent is used for a special purpose. Okay, which we're going to talk about later. So that's what is happening. Was happening there. Okay, all right, cool. So line 10. Let's see what is happening on line 10. What is the issue? Line
So
10.
you know the word name. Click on the one after the E. So behind it, there. Yeah.
There.
No.
Here.
Yes. And then click on space and then put a comma.
Space.
And then a comma.
No. A comma is there.
Okay, a comma. And then and use is not to be. So put speech marks. And so you know where and is in blue. Click on it after the D. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then put a speech mark there.
A speech mark. Oh.
Yeah, a speech mark. Shift 2. Yeah, shift 2. Yeah, it's just shift 2.
Shift.
So, like the arrow, I don't know if it's the same on your computer. Just put a what do I call it? Speech mark. Well, yeah, just a speech mark.
What's a speech mark?
Yeah.
Just give me a minute.
Okay.
Okay, got it. Give me 1 minute. Shift and a speech mark. Where is my speech mark though?
It's on 2.
Speech mark.
Yeah. There we go. And then what's the word use for? So you said live and use. Okay. Click on stop and then run it.
Stop.
Okay, before you do that, on that line, there's the error on that line. Okay.
Oh, there's red line. Yeah. Can't see. Wait, I can't. Yes.
So yeah, you need to remove the speech mark. Okay.
For that one there.
Yeah, after the end and yeah.
Here.
Yeah.
There.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is all in one. Okay.
So, but even before then, it said, and
Wait,
yes.
I think is where it says again, and then there's a speech mark in front of it, and then it has a full stop, and then it has another speech mark to open another sentence.
Hold on, guys. So when you have on the third line for the line 10, right? Third line, okay? When you have to look at enemy, there's something wrong with that. Enemy after, yeah.
Here.
Yes. So
No.
something.
Oh, the comma.
Comma. Yeah, we need to put comma. When you use a variable, at the end of the variable, you use comma, okay?
Comma.
No, not inside the speech mark. At the
No,
end.
outside of it.
Outside, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, there.
So
Right.
ensure that you always put it after the variable without any space. That is a good way to do it, okay? But that one has got space in between the enemy and the comma, okay? Remove the space.
Space. Here.
Yes, before that one, okay? Before the comma, there's a space there. You need to delete that.
Oh yeah. No, so click on delete one more time.
Delete.
Backspace,
And then
okay?
put a comma.
Comma.
There's space.
Yeah.
Put a
Then a
space.
space.
Yeah.
Then you do a space.
Here.
Yes, there.
Space.
Okay, all right. So the speech mark before us, we need to remove that one.
Speech mark. Here.
Yeah, remove that one. Okay, all right, there you go. So I think you are okay now. Anyway, you can run it. Let's see.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no more red lines. Mr. Deji, how
Yes.
come it, like, you know where it said adventure? How come it's always red?
Let's see at the top. Welcome to. Yeah, you can see it's got that slash to your /033, that one. So that is it. Yeah.
Okay.
Mm.
It should work now.
Thank you.
Okay, all right, no problem. Okay, all right. So let's move to the next person because of our time. So, okay, that should be Andrew. Andrew.
Yes, uncle.
Yeah, do you want to share your screen? I've got something to show us.
Okay. This is my work. Hello?
You want to explain?
Oh, so basically this is my crime fighting, a story simulator where you kind of like you have a partner and then kind of like fight crime, and together you can defeat like any enemy, and you're like them, and you can become the best fighters in the world. So,
Okay. Yeah, can you explain the code to us
oh,
and run it as well?
so basically it's just like the normal code. Then I changed what is your enemy's name to what is your partner, what's your partner's name in crime, where do you live, and I kept basically everything the same. And you running it is what's your name? Yeah. So I'll just run it. Hello?
Hello. Okay. All right. Okay. That's good. Well done. Yeah. So well done for that. I can see you've made a little change to the story anyway. So that's good. Well done. So that is impressive, Andrew. Yeah. Okay. All right. Cool. So next person is Peace.
Okay.
Peace. Yeah.
So wait. Sorry. Wait. Sorry, let me just go to the top. Okay, wait. Oh, sorry, I'm not showing my screen.
Is cleaning slowing down your evening?
We are still waiting for you, Peace.
Yeah, I just had to do something. Okay, so sometimes when you're doing code, you want to add a space because otherwise it might look messy because you're just getting everything bundled together when you're asking a question. So basically, this piece of code is saying, this is just telling me something. It's not answering me any questions. You can use a print if you don't want to like use input for answering questions. You could do also know what is your name, and then maybe you could say something like, wow, that's a cool name, or something after it if you don't want to like have the thing. And so then you can, so this is your name. So it carries that information when you put it here. It carries that information and puts it there. You can see that they're both white, so you know when that happens, it is together, you know. And then like, yeah, it's same for everyone. And then when we put this, it's like, hello, name, your ability to have, let's say, wait, let me just put my name. Peace. See, it's not like messy because you put that you put a space, so it's not messy. And then your enemy's name is, let's say, Aaron. Okay. Oh. The problem is when you did what I need to do this again because when you already do this, there's no going back. So you'll just have to stick with it. Superpower, let's say I want to do something that will make sense. Hello, Peace. Your ability to have super. Wait, let me not do a capital letter. Super
super strength. Super strength. Where do you live? I live in. What's your favorite food? Jollof rice. And then it will say, hey, Penelope, your ability to have super strength will make sure you never have to look at Erin again. Go eat jollof rice as you walk down the streets of Ipswich and use your super strength for good and not evil. So you see, it actually like makes sense. So I added a few extra words here. That's all.
Okay. All right, cool. That's brilliant. Thank you so much, Pete, for that. That is really, really awesome. Awesome work. Well done. Yeah. Okay. All right. Let's hear from us again. Okay. Initially, I said I will stop there, but okay, that's okay. Bukumi, please. Guys, please don't raise your hand anymore. Please, after Glory, don't raise your hand anymore. Okay. So we need to finish. Okay.
Hello, everyone. As you
Okay.
can see here, your adventure simulator, you'll be asked a bunch of questions and will make you up an amazing story with you as a star. Mining.
We can't hear you. Sorry. Bukumi.
Yes.
Yeah, we can't hear you again. So
Our story begins as Bakumi approaches the zoo. Welcome, Bakumi. Let's explore the zoo together, says the guide. First, we'll meet the lion. It made a horrifying roar at Landvard. Landvard says the lion is meant to be a lion instead of tiger. Is hungry and it wants to eat. The next animal is the hippo. The hippo walks around its cage looking for food. The next animal is the snake. At the end of the tour, everyone goes home.
well done. That is good. That is really, really, yeah, awesome. So because you've got to put some interesting stories there, which I think is really, really good. So well done, Bukumi. That's good. Yeah. Okay. All right. So because of the time that I have, if I call you, you need to have your story and you got only a few seconds. Okay. I will say 30 seconds. So ensure that you've kind of written everything. Just show it. Okay, this, and everything. Okay. So, okay, the next person is Okay. All right. Okay, David. David Evis.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. So this is my one. David. Josh. My superpower. Hello, David. Your ability is super strength, and it'll make sure you never have to look at Josh again. Go away past us. You walk down the streets of London. Oh no, Josh attacked London and killed your friends. What is your revenge? You decide to go on a training arc. After 6 months, you come back and you have mastered your special move. Finally, you kill his friends and Josh is devastated. He lashes out in rage and you start to fight. What is your special move? Super punch. To defeat Josh, you use super punch and Josh uses his special move. You both get knocked out. You wake up in the dark room and you see light. You wake up to the town congratulating you and realize you have defeated your enemy.
That is exceptional. That is very, very, very well constructed. So well done for this. That is cool. That is really, really cool. Well, so okay. All right, quickly, I'll move on to the next person. That is Korede. Korede, please. Okay, all right. If you don't have Korede, Toluwani, please. Toluwani Akinyemi.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, we can see your screen.
So it says your adventure simulator. You are the main character of this adventure. You'll be asked lots of questions about yourself. Please answer carefully. Your name is. And then ask you your best friend name is. And then your second best friend's name is. And then it's gonna say adventure loading ... This will take a while. Please bear with us. Loading ... Then it's gonna say done. You have the right of your camping ground. Set up your tent and have fun. Yeah, that's all I've got.
Okay, that's another very great one. Well done for that. Impressive. Yeah. So, okay, all right, Farida, please. Then after that, David, and that's us. Okay. All right.
Me?
Okay, you got your answer. Okay. All right, let's move to David. David Adewale.
Me.
Yes, please.
I'll go to share. I can't share. Someone share the screen. Oh.
So I did. Can't see your screen.
Same.
We can now.
Yes.
So I did. What's your name, David? What's your friend's name? It's also David. What's your favorite food? What is your favorite restaurant? McDonald's. What is your enemy's name? Satan. What is your superpower? Speed. Where do you live? London. Welcome to the story of the giant spider and powerful David.
Okay. All right, that is also an interesting one. Well done for that as well, David. So that is good. Okay, all right. Thank you, everyone. Okay, for the session today. So today we've looked at input and we look at print. As you can see, we use the input to get data, to get information from people that are using our application. Okay, and we display them using the print. Okay, all right. We'll see you guys next week when we're going to go and do the day 5 of the challenge. Okay. So if
Question.
okay, 1 minute, I'm coming back to you. Okay. So if you can take some moment to look at that before the section, that would be good. Okay. So yeah. Otherwise, I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow is going to be the HTML guys for web development. Okay. All right. Olalua, what's your question?
Can I share my screen?
We are finishing now, unfortunately.
Hello.
Hello.
Good evening, sir. Mr.
Yeah.
Deji.
All right.
Please, he's been trying to raise his hand up since he wasn't able because he got stuck and he couldn't continue what he needs to do today. So he's been doing some work. I don't know what is, because I asked him and I said, raise your hands up. He wasn't able to raise it. I don't know if it's control there and he was waiting when he will be called. That's why, please.
Don't really have enough time right now. Okay, can you share quickly? Olalua, can you share your screen quickly? Thank you. Okay, what is the challenge? Because this looks okay to me.
Because on here,
What are we supposed
because on here I can't see day 4.
Okay, so if you go and scroll down, you see you're on day 3, right?
Okay.
At the top, right? Can someone quickly help him to navigate what to do?
What you need to do is go at the top, and there's 3 squares, like at the top.
3 squares. 4
Go
squares.
up.
Are we
Yeah.
supposed to write a
Yeah,
story
yeah,
or what?
yeah. Yeah, and then
Is
click
it
on
that?
that.
Is it that one?
Yes. Click on that. And then click on home. This is the way I do. I don't know. And then scroll down. Down. Scroll down. Click on day 4. Print in color. Click on that.
Okay.
And that's what you need to do, day 4. Is it? Wait, I think it's still loading, that's why. Well, that's how you get into day 4. Yeah, and then click on start day 4. Start day 4. And then you're in day 4. I think there should be a video that comes up normally. So after the lesson, you can watch the video. Yeah, that video there.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, thank
You're
you.
Thank you, sir,
All
Mr.
right.
Deji.
No worries. Okay. Thank you, everyone. I will see you guys next week for the Python. And for those guys doing the web development, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. All right. Bye,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Yeah.
Bye.